Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Now, hold on. Okay. Go ahead and get that halter off. I don't know how you're going to do that now. Okay, let me have the plastic thingy. Hopefully she'll stay in the ring. Cut her loose and chase her with the bag.
Okay, hold on.
Chase her, just drop it. There you go. See if you can chase her back instead of out of the arena. Oh, crap. Okay, chase her back in. Just go around and chase her back this way.
I'm going to put a thing around her and bring her back in.
All right.